Hello friends, how are you? Today I am going to show you how to flash A04 firmware in Narzo50a. For flashing Narzo50a, we need some tools and mainly firmware. Here I am downloading A04 firmware from the website. Here I am downloading A04 firmware from GSM Mafia website. You can see here some list of firmware versions are available. Here I am downloading A04 firmware. You can see the download is started. Here I will fast forward the video so that we can save the time. Firmware is successfully downloaded. Now we need to download the required tools for firmware extraction and for flashing. For flashing, mostly we use SP Flash Tool and MTKclient. Here I am downloading SP Flash Tool first. Here I am selecting Windows version because my laptop has Windows operating system. So I am downloading the latest version of SP Flash Tool here. Here I am fast forwarding the video so that it saves the time. Now the next tool is SIMG to IMG. It is a executable file for Windows, so we are now downloading the tool. This tool plays crucial role when we are merging or combining multiple images. With this tool only we can generate super.img from raw images. Here the download almost completed. Now we need to download another important tool. The tool name is MCT OFP Extractor. With the tool we can extract OFP packages. Just now click the download button and the download started. You can see MCT OFP Extractor tool also downloaded. Now I'm downloading Notepad++ software for editing text formats and some documents. This tool is useful when you are editing documents. So this tool is convenient for our flash. So I'm downloading this tool here. You can see I have pressed download button and the download started. Now the next tool is MTKClient GUI 2.0. Here I am downloading the tool from the internet. I will provide all the links in the description. This is the last tool we are downloading. Yeah, here I am downloading from this website. Just now I have clicked the download button and it is searching for the servers. For you I will provide all the links in the description. Here I have fast forwarded the video. Here I have almost downloaded every tool and including firmware. Now I am opening the download folder because my files are saved in that location only. You can see all files are here. Now I would like to create a new folder, and what I will do is, you can observe all these files are in the format of zip. So I will extract those files and place extracted folders in a new folder. Before that, keep in mind you have to turn off Windows Defender because your Windows Defender might confuse and think these are malware or threats. So it is important to turn off your antivirus or Windows Defender. You can observe how I am turning off my Windows Defender. You can see I have turned off antivirus or Windows Defender. Next, here I am installing Notepad++ software. and I have extracted all the .zip files, and you can see these are the files I have extracted. Now I will search for OFP package from firmware. You can see that is the OFP package. We need only that file, and rest we don't need, so we can delete those files. Here I am deleting all files except OFP package. Here remain OFP package. So we need to extract this OFP package using MCT OFP Extractor tool. Here I am opening the tool. Now it takes little time to open. Be patient. Here you can see two boxes are available. First box is for input. We need to give the input, like we need to select the OFP package from input. And second box for output, like we need to mention a folder so that it extract the data from OFP package to given folder. Here I am going back to OFP package location, and copying the location. You can see I'm clicking on that and I'm copying that location, and I came back to MCT OFP Extractor tool and selected first box, and here on the top I have pasted the location and hit enter and selected OFP package. You can see some files. Next select second box for location where you need to extract those files. Here I am selecting existing firmware folder, and I selected this folder for extracted files. Now when I click extract button, MCT OFP Extractor tool extract these files from OFP package. Now MCT OFP Extractor tool started extracting the files, and we need to wait until it finishes. It's almost done. It's done. Next we need to go that extracted location now. This is the location where our MCT OFP Extractor tool extracts the files from OFP package. Here you can observe some raw images are there. Now our task is to generate super.img file from these raw images. For the task we need to use SIMG to IMG tool. This is a Windows executable file. Now copy this executable file inside the folder where we extracted our firmware. Here I am pasting that file. After that we have another task to complete. Now you can find a file name called super_map.csv. Just open that file with Notepad++ that we have recently installed. You can see this is a super image map table. You can see there are 6 rows are there. Ignore first one and sixth one is dummy, so please ignore that. And we need to concentrate on from second to fourth. Let's concentrate on second row. When you combine these three raw images into super.img, you can able to flash Indian firmware. Let's concentrate on third row. When you combine these three raw images into super.img, you can able to flash Indonesian version of firmware. Now let's concentrate on fourth row. When you combine these three raw images into super.img, you can able to flash Bangladesh firmware. And fifth one for Pakistan. Here it looks like. Now let's begin to generate super.img from supermap table. Here I am head over to firmware extracted folder. Here I have entered cmd command so that cmd command prompt open in same directory. Now I am generating Indian version super.img by copying that command. Copying that command and pasting in the command prompt and hit enter. Now generating super.img will take some time. I think it's about 5 to 7 minutes. Be patient. You can see now it is showing 0 KB, but it takes some time. Be patient. Here I am generating Indian version super.img. Later I will show you Indonesian version super.img too. Similar way you can generate other country super.img too. Here I am fast forwarding the video so that it saves the time. It successfully generated Indian version super.img. You can see here, you can see now this file size is about 10 GB. Similar way you can generate Indonesia or Bangladesh or Pakistan. If you are from Indonesia and want to flash firmware, definitely you required Indonesian super.img firmware. So now I will tell you how to do that. Here I have renamed my exist super.img and head over to supermap table, and I have copied second command that is for Indonesian. Here I am copying that command and pasted on command prompt. uh, this will generate Indonesian version super.img. It's successfully generated. You can see, I will show you. Yes, this is Indonesian version super.img. This way you can generate Indonesian version super.img. Now I will rename into Indonesian, and I use Indian version super.img for flashing because my phone is Indian version. Here I renaming back to super.img so that I can use this for flashing. I have already mentioned that if you are from Bangladesh, use third command, and if you are from Pakistan, use final command. We are almost done. Next what we have to do is open SP flash tool. Here it is. Click on that. Here you can see there are three sections are there: download agent, scatter loading file, and authentication. Scatter loading file and authentication files, we can get those files from our firmware extracted folder. Let's add both files individually. First I am selecting scatter loading file section and heading over to firmware extracted folder. Here it is, and selecting scatter file. Now click on authentication and select authentication file. You can see all the files loaded here in this table, but you can find there is no super file, super image not included in this table. For that we need to edit scatter file which is available in our extracted firmware folder. This is the file we are going to edit. Click on that file with Notepad++. Now you need to find a keyword called super. Click on search and type super and hit enter. You will see section it is showing false. You need to replace false with true so that SP flash tool will detect super.img in table. After changes, save that file and close that file. Now open SP flash tool again. Yeah, here I am open and you can see inside the table super is detected. Super.img file detected in SP flash tool table. So we are now good to go for further process. Now we are at last process, that is flashing. We use MTKclient along with SP flash tool for flashing. MTKclient mainly used for bypassing the authentication. After bypassing the authentication using MTKclient, we can use SP flash tool for flashing. Keep in mind guys, before you opening MTKclient or SP flash tool, it is recommended to turn off antivirus software or Windows Defender so that these softwares will not delete SP flash tool or MTKclient related files. Now side open MTKclient GUI and press bypass.exe file. Now select third option and press Y and hit enter. Now let's connect your phone to MTKclient. For that you need to perform bro mode by pressing and holding volume up plus volume down, and we need to immediately connect the cable to the phone. Then you can observe when you do that, when you perform that action, MTKclient starts detecting our device. This is very important step guys. Now open SP flash tool and hit on download button. Keep in mind, before hitting the download button you have to untick this option. Now you can see flashing started. Generally it takes 7 to 10 minutes. Based on PC it varies. For me it took 7 minutes to flash. So be patient, don't touch your phone until it completes the flash. Here I am fast forwarding the video so that it saves the time. You can see my download is completed. Now close the SP flash tool. Now disconnect your phone from USB cable and try to enter into recovery mode. Enter into recovery mode by pressing and holding volume down plus power button. Here I am pressing volume down along with power button. When you see a warning message, just release power button and keep hold volume down button only until you see that warning messages up to 5. Don't release volume down button. Keep hold until 5 warning messages, because this is the way we need to enter into recovery mode after unlocking the bootloader on Narzo50a. And after 5 warning messages, just release, and you can see you are entering into recovery. And when you see that orange state, just press power button once and wait until you enter into recovery mode. Select English language and wipe data and format data. There is a number, so type that number so it confirms and format the data. After formatting the data, your phone automatically starts rebooting into system. When you see that orange state message, just press power button once. This is common when someone unlocks any phone. This type of warning message definitely appears. No need to panic. When you see that warning message, just press power button once and wait. You can see uh, Realme logo appeared. And keep in mind, here we are formatted our phone's data, so first boot always takes time. So be patient, don't panic, it should boot. For me it took 7 to 10 minutes, so don't panic. Here again I'm fast forwarding the video so it saves the time. You can see welcome screen arrived, so just set up the welcome screen. Here I set up my login screen.